Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you my quality tutorial. So do you want this? Okay, so my original quality is 1080p, but we can upgrade it dramatically. Why quality matters? Because high resolution clips like 2K or 4K lead to better edits, but we can still make with 1080p or 780p, I mean 720p. So let's go. Step 1, Initial Sharpening. Go to Adjust and set Sharpen to 100. Apply this to the entire clip. Step 2, Double Sharpening. Go to Adjust again and add another layer of sharpen at 100 for extra detail. Step 3, Color Saturation. Increase saturation to around 20. Adjust this based on your clip's colors to avoid oversaturating. Okay. Step 4, Fine Tuning. Set brilliance to 5 and brightness to 0. If your clip is too dark, you can increase brilliance up to 18 and something and brightness up to 5. Step 5, Clarity. Increase clarity to 10 to make the details pop up, but if you want more like something, you can also increase up to 20. Okay. Next, step 6, Highlights and Shadows. Set highlights to 5 and shadows to 2 for a balanced look, and you can adjust up to your preference and all. Step 7, Finishing Touches. Add a vignette at 2 and set grain to 10 for a professional texture, but you can increase as per your preference. Okay. Step 8, Add Overlay. Download a white blur background from Google, add it as an overlay, set the mode to overlay and adjust opacity to around 12. Go to Splice menu, then go to overlay. Okay. Step 9, Video Effects. Add the dance flash effect, set intensity to 0 and adjust sharpening within the effect to around 32. Step 10, Export Settings. For the best results, export in 2K 4K resolution, 60 fps, turn on optical flow and set the code rate to high. Let's see the results.